Hello viewers. Today, we are going to cover 5 best Arduino robot kit in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best for the money pick is ELEGOO Project Smart Robot Car Kit. First on our list is the ELEGOO UNO R3 Smart Robot Car Kit. This is a robocar kit that is Arduino compatible and made specifically for beginners and pro electronic enthusiast kids and adults. With an easy-to-follow tutorial for assembling it, this STEM educational kit teaches programming and robotics to kids with ease. It comes in a 24-module package and is an integrated solution for robotics learning. The modules include infrared remote control, obstacle avoidance, tracking and mobile control as well. These are both for the Android and iOS operating systems. Very easy to assemble, the interface of the module has been modified with an XH254 port which makes the assembly much easier and removes any chance of any errors. The car has a rechargeable battery and an overall minimal design. A great gift for budding learners of the age 12 or above. Number 2. Our second best pick is Makeblock Educational Robot Kit. Next up, we have the Makeblock mBot STEM Robot Kit. An advanced version with updates than its predecessor, this one comes with transformational features such as a 3-in-1 robot. It can be coded with a variety of functions, and this makes it a fun tool to learn to code for kids. It can be built in just a few hours, which is as simple as assembling building blocks. While it may be advertised as it will take about 45 minutes, it might end up taking a few hours to build it. Makeblock has a signature Elega board that is compatible with the Arduino Mega 2560. The Arduino IDE can be used for development, and the building guide that comes with the robot aids in this as well. With proper personalization, the robot lets you add unique features to it and special build models such as a bird, raptor or a land raider too. To run it, you will need 6 AA batteries. Number 3. Our third best pick is Uptech GMU Robot Astrobot Series, Cosmos Kit. Next up, we have the Uptech GMU Astrobot Robot Series. This Cosmos Kit is enabled by a mobile app and teaches kids to build and code through STEM learning. Blockly's unique coding platform teaches you to learn to code very easily and better. You can program your robot to be able to pick stuff, navigate obstacles, control the light settings, create sound effects, develop a unique personality and much more. The robot can be programmed for custom actions with the pose, record play function or the PRP function. With a total of 387 snap-together parts in it, it is truly a fun play piece. The free app works both on Android and iOS devices. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is the Freenov Quadruped Robot Kit. The Freenov Quadruped robot has a very cool design to it. Made out of the evergreen Arduino Raspberry Pi processing board, the robot has a spider-like feature to it and can crawl about the surface rather than just roll on wheels. The robot can be controlled using a wireless remote control. This remote comes in pieces in the package and you will be building it as well. It can also be controlled using a PC software or using an Android phone as well. Freenov gives you the necessary code library to let you reprogram the robot. This, with the extra free ports that are available to the robot, gives you the ability to connect to other modules, circuits and repurpose the robot to your creative and imaginative extent. The package is complete with not just the parts but also additional magnetic screwdrivers and spanners required to get the job done. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is Luncell Robotic Arm Kit. Next up, we have a robotic arm kit rather than a movable entire robot. The Luncell 6DOF is a robotic arm kit based on an Arduino. This is also a STEM-based robot learning kit that comes with app control and a tutorial as well. A highly mechanical and minute-detailed kit, the arm uses a high-precision digital servo that increases the accuracy of the robot's control. LuArm has detailed video tutorials on how to use the robotic arm, and there are also detailed 3D videos available for setting it up as well. The robot can be easily controlled using the Android or the iOS app and also through the graphical PC software as well. It has a 5-axis rotation, a very cool surface design and greater grip and movement, making it a great guy for both beginners and pro-level enthusiasts. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.